friends, here comes your Matthew. Friends, there are lots of amazing facts that we see and hear in this world. So today I'm going to tell you some facts, some unique facts about animals, birds and insects. 1. An ostrich's eyes are bigger than its brain. 2. Giraffes have no vocal cords. 3. Snails can sleep for 3 years. 4. Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump. 5. A heart of a shrimp is located in its head. 6. A rhinoceros horn is made of hair. 7. Ants never sleep. 8. Butterflies taste with their feet. 9. Camels have 3 eyelids to protect them from sand. 10. Dolphins can sleep with one eye open. 11. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. 12. Ostriches can run faster than horses. And the male ostriches can roar like lions. Bye friends. Thank you for watching. See you in my upcoming videos.